Behavior matters a lot. Let's take a look at the example of three students. Govind Lahoti, who stood third in the country in 2014 with a fantastic score on Embibe Test 1, 330 out of 360. He finished looking at the entire paper after just 97 minutes, ended up having a very high accuracy in the first few questions he chose to attempt. In contrast, a student at the middle, Advait Sridhar, who scored 267 in the same paper, had a good accuracy but ended up spending time as high as 41 minutes on questions he didn't actually answer on the exam. Think about it. He spent 2 hours 19 minutes effective productive time to make the attempts that he made because the rest of the time was lost in trying questions he didn't actually attempt in the exam. What would have happened if he had invested this time in these other subjects and actually ended up scoring higher by making sure the accuracy on existing attempts went up? Not only this, let's look at a weak student. Omkar Sadarangani scored 89 out of 360 and felt very depressed about his score. But when Embibe looked deeper at his test analysis, we realized that he actually did not have the stamina to attempt a 3-hour paper, a problem that is very pervasive with students who are not able to score high because they get demotivated and tired during the exam. Not only that, when we looked at Omkar Sadarangani's careless mistakes, we realized that Embibe had detected that there were a lot of questions where he did not actually spend the requisite amount of time to even do a judicious attempt to the paper. If you look at his wasted attempts, which has automatically detected careless mistakes, we realize that 15 wasted attempts for Omkar. If he had not attempted these questions, he would have ended up scoring above 100 marks. And just like we said, within a week of realizing this and discovering it, in the JEE Mains paper, Omkar Sadarangani scored 105 marks out of 360, which is a massive improvement from 75 marks in his first test all the way to 105. This is the magic of behavior.